Hey Lulu, what you doing?
I'm packing up. I'm going to my friend's apartment to redo her patio.
Okay. She didn't even ask me any opinions on what to do with this, so she must feel really comfortable. You're going to tell everyone how to put this together?
Yeah.
You confident?
I'm confident.
Okay, well I love it. So you've got, what do you got here? You've got some real ferns, some real annuals, you've got some artificial plants.
Got some pebbles, I got a mister, I got a light, I got plants, flowers, and on my end, self-contained unit.
Can't wait. So that's good. That's the key when you landscape, to have lots of options so you can really have fun. This is all about having fun. As you know, this is fairly light. Actually, talking about that, how are you getting it there? How are you getting all this stuff there?
Your truck?
My truck? Oh, okay. So I'm out of a job and I'm losing my truck.
Yeah. It's me now.
Okay, I'm happy. I'm going back to create something. See ya.
You're such a weakling. Are we ready to go install? Hey guys, I'm here with my friend Brooke. We're at her apartment currently. We are going to redo her balcony. She was looking for something to spice it up, and I thought I had the perfect idea with some Universal Rocks products. So we're going to install a nice self-contained unit that's super fun and easy.
I'm super excited.
Let's go. All right, let's get this install started. We're gonna get everything out of the balcony. So this is our Mayan self-contained unit. So it comes as one piece. It is gonna come pre-plumbed. It weighs roughly 30 pounds and holds a couple gallons of water. There is a hole in here that the plug is actually coming out of, as well as the tubing. This, which you'll see later in this video, I'm gonna thread it through with a light that also just makes the waterfall look a lot better. So if you wanted it to go up against a corner, you could do something like this and then landscape it with some plants behind it, or you can put it up against the wall so it doesn't take up as much space. And then we have the outlet right there that we can cover with some plants or flowers and you won't even see it. So let's get started. Okay, now that we have it in place where I would like my water feature, I'm gonna go get a bucket and fill it up. This holds approximately 10 gallons, so you can use a hose, you can use a jug, you can use a bucket, whatever works best for you. We now have filled up the buckets. So it took 2 buckets to fill up this water feature. The one tip that you need to make sure is that the pump is completely underwater. The second that it is exposed, it might make some funny noise and the water feature won't work as well. All you have to do is top it up with some more water. Depending on the climate that you're in, sometimes it might evaporate faster than other places. But again, all you have to do is fill it up. If you do live in some cold areas where it gets below freezing, just make sure you drain it, just so the pump doesn't get ruined. So let's plug it in and see how it runs. We have this special pump cover rock that is designed to cover the pump. It has some pebbles embedded into it to help it sink. So you're just gonna kind of squish it in and try to cover up the pump. Like my dad has always said, landscaping is a way to create a lovely area for you to enjoy. Yes, this looks wonderful, but the second we add some plants, we add some lights, it's gonna look phenomenal. If you're wondering how long this water feature will last, you're not sure about the sun or the heat or the cold temperatures that you live in, this product is absolutely durable. It's made out of crushed rock and sand embedded into the material. If you need to clean it, you can power wash it, you can scrub it with a wire brush. if any algae ever builds up on it. It's easy to lift, so if you need to dump it out, or you can even water your plants using the leftover water and then refill it. We're going to just check to see if this is the placement that we want it on our patio before landscaping. I'm actually going to also include some lights and a mister, which will be really cool. So let's go do that. Here I have a mister, I have a light and a 3-way adapter so I can run the water feature as well as these two things. So I'm going to unplug the waterfall, turn it a little bit so I can thread the light through. It doesn't really matter what the brand is. I'm sure you could find this anywhere online or your local store. Like I said earlier, we have a nice hole right here that the pipe and pump is sticking out of. This is what our lights look like. It comes with 2 of them, and they're meant to go underwater. We're just gonna put these lights in the hole. Kind of let them dangle in the water. Okay, now I turn the lights on. The water feature is running again. You're just gonna use the pump cover rock again, shove it in there to try to cover it, and then you can move the lights around. Okay, next I'm gonna add the mister to add a really cool effect. Again, this is just a choice if you wanna make it look even cooler. There's actually a little remote that comes with it. It's a party in here. Next, we're gonna bring in the plants. This is the fun part, is the decorating. Here you can see I got a little carried away. I'm really excited about the landscaping part and dressing up this water feature. So you can do this on a nice Saturday morning or afternoon. Go to your local nursery and get some nice plants. If you're worried about taking care of plants and keeping them alive or watering them, you can also use artificial plants. I'm actually going to use a bit of both. So here you probably could get something like this at Hobby Lobby. I basically just cut it in different pieces, and I'll show you how to dress this up. You can see that I have a lot of cores exposed. I actually could stuff most of that behind the water feature, but I'm actually going to cover it up with some pot plants. Depending on the size patio you have, the plants that you chose, if you don't have the luxury of plants that are actually hanging over and covering the black plastic pot, we actually also sell pot rocks that you can purchase. They fit perfectly right inside. Now you see there's still a little bit of room by the railing, so I thought it'd be really nice to add another plant as well as our pot rock to kind of disguise it. Here I have different size rocks here that I'm going to use to help keep down this artificial foliage so it won't blow away in the wind. So I'm just going to kind of push it inside, kind of disguise it. It also doesn't matter if you can see it because, I mean, it is real rocks. It goes with the theme. If the water flow is a little too heavy, you can always put these rocks over the fitting to kind of slow it down. And then you can also just add them around to kind of blend in the fake and real rock, which also just blends really nicely. The install is now complete and it looks absolutely beautiful. We have plants, we have lights, we have rocks, and we have water, as well as a mister, which just looks very nice. It's such a wonderful touch to this patio, and I'm really excited to show Brooke. So here is our Mayan self-contained unit from Universal Rocks. It comes with free shipping, it comes with a pump, it comes plumbed, and it comes in one piece. It's really fun and easy to use, as you see, and it can really just spice up a nice patio. Tell you when to open your eyes.
Okay.
You're gonna get a reaction? Okay, ready? Open.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
Isn't it?
Yes, that is actually awesome.
Thanks.
That is like way more extravagant than I thought it was gonna be. That's so cool. Good job, Courtney.
Thank you.
It looks like literally a mini version of your hot tub at home.
Yeah.